Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click this subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. So for today's our topic is how to add the basic views like form view, tree view, etc. So what is the purpose of the views? Views define the way the records of a model are displayed, like how you want to display it for the purpose of reporting or to view the data. So each type of view represents a mode of visualizations, a list of records, a graph of their execution. So like different kind of views have different purpose. Views can either be requested generically, like you don't specifically mention the ID of the view, but you just add the type of the view and it displays the record in that type of view. For example, if we go here to our courses and in this case in the action we did not specify any specific views, like if you go to the action, edit action, you will see not there is not any specific view defined like in the view reference, but it displays the data in the list view by default because we have just added the type. So this is the purpose of this statement. Views can either be requested generically by their view type, so we have requested it by a view type, or specifically with their ID. So you can just view the like display the data in a specific view type by mentioning the ID of the view, which we will discuss in the upcoming video. For generic request, the view with the correct type and the lowest priority you will be used. So the lowest priority of view of each type is the default view of that type. Okay, what this means. So inside the view, so let me just show you what is the type, what is the uh, like how you can define a generic view. So this is the basic definition of a generic view. So like a view is a record of a model ir.ui.view. So ir.ui.view is the model of ORM, which is um, Odoo relational model, and it is so view is just a record inside this model, and you need to define the view inside the R type. Okay, so first of all you need to define the model and then the ID of the view, which will be in the form of like XML, and then you need to specify the name of the view, then the model and then priority. So what is the importance of priority we will explain in this video. Then field name is equal to arch and type is XML, so you must need to define the type as XML, otherwise it will not work. So like this is the basic view. So like here we have defined like how you can define the priority, which we'll discuss in this video. So let me just copy this code uh, and paste it here in the XML file, which is views.xml. So just above the action here, let me just add here like this, copy this code and reformat it like this. So here we need to define the view. So the view should be like the ID of the view. It should be unique as per the module. So how we can make it unique, like first you need to define to add the name of the module, which is Open Academy, and then the model, which is like you can say here for which model we are defining is this one. The model name is course. Okay, course. So this is how we can define it, and then a view. Okay, sorry, not view but the type of view, which is tree. Okay, and then the name of the view, which will be like OD Open Academy, and then course model. Course is the model, and then the type of the view is tree. Here we need to add the model, which is Open Academy dot course, and this is the priority. So if you are just going to define only one view, like only one tree view, then you don't need to define the priority. But in case you have multiple views, you need to define the priority to display the data in that sequence. So here inside this arch, we need to add the type of the view. So for different kind of view, like in this case we will add tree view, so we need to add tree tag, like here in this case. So tree views, also called list views, displayed that records in a tabular form. Like if you go here and for example, let me go to the sales. So go to products. So this is actually the tree view. You can say the list view which display the data in a tabular format. Okay, their root element is tree. So the root element is tree. The simplest form of tree view simply list all the records, all the fields to display in the table. Each field is a column. Okay, so like in order to define the tree view, you just need to add the tree root element like this, and then close it. Inside this tree element, we need to define the fields. Like for example, field name is equal to um, name. What is the field name? Like if you go to the models, like here, you can say we have defined two fields, name and description. So let me just go to the views. Here first field is name, and then the second name field is description. Okay, so this is simply you can define the view. So this will be by default, the data will be displayed in this view because we have just added the type in the action, and we have not added any view in this action. So like because we have just only one view, and if you go here to the Open Academy module, sorry, Open Academy, and here if you go to the list view, list view, so here we cannot see any external ID of this view because we have not yet defined any view. But if we upgrade the module, and let me just upgrade the module Odoo Open Academy, and click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade, you will see that the new view will be added. So like currently we have only one field, title, and now if I refresh the page, we will be able to see both fields, like title and the description. Here you can see title and description. So if we click here, the view is just the old view because we have not yet updated the form view. This is the Odoo default form view. So this is how simply you can add the tree view now. And now we will discuss about the priority. So what does it means? So like let me just create two list views, and then I will show you the purpose. So for example, if I create this list view, I just need to add like something. So as I told you before, that you need to define the view ID as unique. So here I will add like the priority number, which is 16, and here let me add here like 15. Okay, and make the priority is 15. Okay, so here we have, let me just remove one of the field, and here are two fields. So in this case, which view needs to be displayed by default? So by default it should display this view because like the priority in this case is the lowest, so in the lowest view will become the default. Okay, so let me just upgrade the module, and you will see that the data will be so let me show you currently which view is you gonna see. So currently you can see the view with this ID, like you can see OD Open Academy course tree view. Okay, and let me just upgrade the module OD Open Academy, and click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. Okay, so after the module upgrade, let me just refresh this page. Okay, refresh it. So if you refresh the page, you have this view, and let me go to the edit view list. So here you can see view which is with the ID 15, Open Academy course 315. So this is the view because it takes this view as a default because we have added the priority as the lowest. So this is how the priority gonna work. So in this case we don't need it. We actually need only one view, so we don't need both the views. Okay, and in the next video we will discuss how to specifically call the view inside the action with uh, the view ID like this ID. So we will discuss it in the next video. Therefore, please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming video. Thank you.